Namaha. Om Ganesaya Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Good morning to all the friends. I welcome you all to today's topic. Today we are going to talk and practice Sun Salutation-B from Ashtanga Vinyasa primary series. Sun Salutation-B is the extended version of Sun Salutation-A. In Sun Salutation-A, there are 9 vinyasas or 9 asanas. In Sun Salutation-B, there are 17 vinyasas or 17 asanas. These asanas flow with the breathing practice and it flow with the drishtis, focusing the eyes in the different part of the body. Now we are going to practice Sun Salutation-B. Please get ready. Come to the Samastiti. Ekam Utkatasana. Breathing in, gaze to the eyebrows. Dve. Breathing out, Uttanasana. Gaze your nose. Trini. Ardha Uttanasana. Breathing in, gaze your eyebrows. Chatvari. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Gaze to the nose. Pancha. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Breathing in, gaze to the eyebrows. Satta. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Gaze to the belly button. Sapta. Virabhadrasana-A. Bring your right leg forward. Astau. Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathing out. Gaze your nose. Nava. Breathing in. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Gaze your eyes to the eyebrows. Focus in the eyebrows. Dasa. Breathe out. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Gaze to the belly button. Breathing out. Ekadasa. Virabhadrasana-A. Left leg forward. Breathing in. Dvadasa. Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathing out. Gaze to the nose. Trayadasa. Breathing in. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Gaze your eyebrows. Chaturdasa. Breathing out. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Hold 6 breathing. Focus on the belly button. Panchadasa. Jump back. Ardha Uttanasana. Gaze the eyebrows. Sattadasa. Breathing out. Uttanasana. Gaze to the nose. Saptadasa. Breathe in. Utkatasana. Breathe out. Come to Samastiti. Santihi. 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 Namaste. Thank you everyone watching the video.